So recently I put a blog post on streamdroid.org highlighting why you should avoid using Showbox at the minute. So in this video I'm going to go over the best alternative for Showbox in 2019. It's one of the most popular apps in terms of Showbox equivalents. Let's take a look. Welcome back to the StreamDroid channel. Hope you are well, guys, and if you are new around here, firstly consider subscribing and help me on the way to 1,000 subscribers, and of course smack that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Anyway, in this video we are gonna look at the #1 best alternative for Showbox. There's many different apps out there, but in my opinion the best is Cyberflix. A lot of you guys probably already know what it is, but for the old time Showbox users who haven't really tried anything else, because Showbox is the only app they use, I would recommend checking another app out because of all the stuff that's going on at the minute with the changes in ads and stuff. But anyway, I'll leave a link in the video description down below, which is my post highlighting 3 different reasons why you should avoid using Showbox at the minute. So go and check that out. But what I love about Cyberflix is it is pretty much similar to Showbox, but the scrapers are a lot better, the content seems better, and the integration that you can build into Cyberflix with Real Debrid. And there was a recent update for Cyberflix where there was more content added for Real Debrid customers, which is great. I use Real Debrid. It gives you a lot more access to different links, and I'll show you how in a minute. But as you can see, there's tons and tons of different customizations that you can build into Cyberflix itself. It's super reliable, it's fast, and it's not bombarded with ads. So in my opinion, it makes the perfect alternative to Showbox, and it's definitely one to check out. I'm guessing a lot of you have already seen it, but of course, like I said, this is targeted for the customers that are currently using Showbox to get you guys away from using it. But anyway, let me show you the links first of all, and then I'll also show you what it's like with Real Debrid on. As you can see, you can watch trailers and stuff, which is great. You can disable the capture, which is awesome, and you can switch the video player at the top. And I'm going to show you what difference it makes using Real Debrid. So we'll take a look and head on over to season 1. And as you can see, the already good thing about Cyberflix is there are still a lot of 1080 links in comparison to some of the other apps out there, which just go to show that the scrapers and the providers that they're using is up to date and full of content. But as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1080 links, and then we're going to go back and activate Real Debrid. You can filter out cam links and stuff like that, which is a nice little feature. But we simply go into log into Real Debrid, head on over to the link, and then you can see it's authorized. And that is it. That's how you set it up. Super easy. So we'll go back over to season 1, episode 1, and we can see the difference that using Real Debrid is going to make. Now, as it loads, you will get a lot more 1080 links. So as you scroll down, all the purple links are Real Debrid links. So you can see it will give you a lot more access to different links, which will be more reliable, and 9 times out of 10 are better quality as well. So because they are on a sort of premium server, which is accessible by its customers, and of course it can include torrents, so do be cautious if you are using torrents. Make sure you have a VPN, and of course I'll leave the links down below in the video description if you want one. But here you can copy the stream link to watch it somewhere else, or you can just go in straight away and play it, and it loads super fast. And that's what I like about Cyberflix. Awesome app, full of features. You got your movies, shows, you can set up favorites and downloads, and again you can completely customize it. So I'm not going to show you how to do it. Go on over and download it and have a play about with it. But to download it to your Fire Stick or Android TV box, it is super simple. On Fire Stick, head on over to the downloader app, and on Android TV, head on over to Chrome, and I've shortened the link for you guys to make it easier. So it's bit.ly/SDFlix, so you don't have to type much into downloader or using the keyboard. That'll bring you to this page, and if you go onto this page on your mobile or desktop, you can also get 80% off Ivacy VPN. So they're giving away 5 years at the minute for the price of 1 year in comparison to other VPNs. So a nice little offer there if you want to take advantage of that. But anyway, scroll down on this page to the download button, and when you click it, the picture will come up and the download will start. Simply save it to your device, and once it's done, open it, follow the install, and you then have the best Showbox alternative to use in 2019 on your Android TV box or your Fire Stick. That is it. Super easy. What do you guys think of Cyberflix? It is still one of my favorite apps. Of course, there's loads out there, and there's going to be more coming on this channel soon, so make sure you're subscribed to see all the new apps as soon as they're available. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. Subscribe to notifications on streamdroid.org. Links down below, and I'll be back with another one soon. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.